Hi, this is Kelsey Cox, and today I will be doing a tutorial of the mobile banking tracking application I created. It's called FB TrackNow, and it's your financial banking tracker for corporate credit cards and PEX cards. So here it shows your account number and your password, but first we are going to register. So to register your account, you enter in your first name and your last name, and then also your company name, and then you provide your company email address, which acts as your account number. Then you choose a password that must include 8 characters and 1 number, and then you re-enter your password and click register. So this is the confirmation page. It says, "Thank you, John, for registering your account." And it also says that a confirmation email was sent to his email address, and then your account number is your corporate email address. So now we can go ahead and click sign in. We've entered in our account number and password. So now we are at the current account page, and this is one of the main pages in this application. So we're going to go ahead and click on the main menu button, and this shows us the user account information, current accounts, send reports to employer, and the sign out button. So first we're going to click user account information. So it shows us our account number, our password. It shows how you can change the password by entering a new one and confirming it, and also how to save changes. It also says, for any assistance regarding FB TrackNow, please contact this help email address. So now we're back at the main menu, and we're going to go over how to send reports to the employer. So here the employer is listed as SB Global Corp, and the first step is to enter in the dates that you want to be included in the report. So you can go ahead and enter that in, or you can select the type of report, weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly, and then enter the start date. And there's also a section to create reminders, or you can check the box to send reports automatically. Finally, step 2 allows you to add additional notes to the employer, and it says that all transactions, including notes and receipts for selected days, will be included. So then you can go ahead and send a report to the employer. And this takes you to the confirmation page. It says, "Thank you, John, for sending a financial report to your employer, SB Global Corp." And it just confirms that an email was sent to you that contains a copy of the report to his provided email address. And again, there's a little help button that you can email for any assistance. So now we are going to return to the current accounts. And here, this is the main current account page, and it has the month, March, and then the total balance in the account. Then it also shows the 3 different current transactions that have taken place. So you have Office Depot, Home Depot, and a Big Lots transaction. So here is the note-taking icon where the user can add notes about their transaction, and here's a camera icon where they can attach receipts. So now we're going to take a look at the Office Depot transaction, and under the notes section it says that I purchased 2 ink cartridges for the Office printer, and I also bought a package of presentation folders. So clicking on that, this is where I typed in the information, and then I can click Save Notes, and then it just confirms that your notes have been saved. So I'm going to return to the transaction, and now I'm going to want to attach a receipt. So I'm going to click on that, and we're brought to a camera, and you take a picture of the receipt, and then here's a copy of it. So then all I have to do is click Save Photo Receipt, and then it saves it to the transaction and shows it's been attached. So now we're going to go back to the current account menu and look at the Home Depot transaction. So this was for a $120 purchase, and here you can see that there's a back icon here. I just want to point that out. But again, if you look at the notes, we can go ahead and click that and type anything about our transactions, hit the save button, and then confirm that our notes have been saved. And if we want to attach a receipt, we click on that. We get brought to the camera, click on that, and then again save the photo receipt, and we have a confirmation. So now we click Return to Transaction and Return to Current Accounts. So now we're at the main current account page again, and as you see here that there's also a search icon that a user can use to search your transactions. The user can also use this down arrow to select a month or the envelope to send reports to their employer. So now we're back at the main menu, and this is just an overview of the FB TrackNow app, and that is it. So we click Sign Out, and we are brought to the login page again. Thank you for watching my tutorial.